Hello everyone, welcome to English with Sreyashi. In today's jam session, let's talk about one of the most important people in my life, my mother. Yes, in today's video, I am going to describe my mother using simple and natural English. So, if you want to improve your spoken English, watch the video till the end and practice with me. So, let's get started. My mother's name is Mrs. Protima Dash and she is 56 years old. She is a homemaker, a tailor and also a business woman. My mother is kind and caring, but she is also very strict about discipline. My mother is always patient, but at the same time tactful. My mother wakes up very early in the morning and cooks delicious food for our family. My mother also owns a garments and tailoring shop. So every morning after finishing all the household chores, she goes to her shop where she works as both a tailor and also a shopkeeper. Even today, my mother stitches clothes for our family. My mother also a very spiritual person. So, she spends a lot of time worshipping, chanting God's name and taking part in kirtan. During my childhood, my mother would help me with my studies and she would take care of me whenever I was sick. My mother always encouraged me to do my best, but she never put pressure on me to get high marks. I have learned many valuable lessons from my mother.
The lessons I learned from my mother during my childhood are the same lessons I now read about in books. Although she is not highly educated, but I must say she knows how to handle real life situations. She is very wise and astute person. My mother always taught us never to shout at others and never to fight over little things. Instead, she always encouraged us to believe in God and to handle problems peacefully and to stay calm even in the storm. She taught us to treat everyone with respect. Thank you, Ma. Whatever I am today, a big part of credit goes to you. Your love, your guidance, and your sacrifices shaped my life. I love you very much, and I want to say thank you once again for everything you have done for me, and I will be always grateful to you.